Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ariela. I'm a professional makeup artist since 11 years. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this look. This look was inspired by Snow White, and this is my second video for the Disney Princess collection, and let's dive right into the video. Let's start! First I'm gonna apply my primer. This is from Benefit, this is the Professional. I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it on my T-zone. I concentrate mostly on my nose because this is where I have huge pores. Like huge. Then on the rest of my face I'm gonna apply the Hangover primer. This is from Too Faced. Next step is foundation. I'm gonna use my Dior Forever foundation. My shade is 1.5 natural. And for this look I really need to look like I'm a porcelain doll, because all of those Disney princesses, they have like even skin. Next I'm gonna apply my concealer. This one is also from Dior. This is the Forever Skin Corrector. My shade is 1.5. I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eye. On the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. And I'm also gonna apply it on my chin. And then I'm gonna use my sponge from Real Techniques to working my concealer. So next I'm gonna use my powder. This is La Prairie one. It's translucent in the shade 1. I really love this powder. To apply this powder I'm gonna use the Darya-Ariela brush. I must say I really love those brushes. It's my second or third set of brushes. The first one I bought when I was doing course in Moscow in her school. And the next one, she came here to Germany, to Frankfurt, to do a master class. I also bought one set. Next step is I'm gonna apply my blush. This one is from Tarte in the color Harmony. I'm gonna use my Darya-Ariela brush for it. It's number 6. Now I look like Russian Matryoshka doll. Next step is highlighter. I'm gonna use my highlighter from Chanel that was limited edition from I think last year Christmas. And I'm gonna use my brush from Morphe Jaclyn Hill. It's the number 9. bit out on the bridge of my nose. Next up are eyebrows. I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil from Chanel in the shade Bleu Naturel. It's number 30. I love to use this one because it gives a natural look. It doesn't look like if I draw my eyebrows with a Sharpie. And since all those Disney princesses, they have like kind of more or less natural look, I'm gonna use this one. So my eyebrows are done. Then I'm gonna use my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit to set my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna use a large shader brush and highlight underneath my eyebrow. Let's move to the eyes. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty palette. It's the Rose Gold edition. That's the first eyeshadow palette of her. And then I'm gonna use the color Sandwood and I'm gonna apply it into my crease. And with whatever is left on the brush, I'm gonna use it on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna use the yellow eyeshadow. This one is Chrome Yellow from MAC. And then I'm gonna use a MAC brush. This one is 242. And this yellow shade I'm gonna apply on my eyelid. And I'm just gonna pack it on. And then I'm gonna blend a bit. Now let's move on to eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Too Faced one. This is the Better Than Sex eyeliner. This is the waterproof one. First coffee. And then I'm gonna draw a second line. And then we're gonna repeat the same step on the other eye. Ta-da! My eyeliner is done. Now let's continue with the eyes. I'm gonna use my mascara. This one is Chanel. And I'm gonna use my heated eyelash curler. This one is from Panasonic. It's like 11 years old. I even don't know if you can get it. But if I find it, I'm gonna put you the link down below. So after 30 seconds, my eyelash curler is warm. And I'm holding it for 10 seconds. I'm gonna apply my mascara. And my bottom lashes too. So I'm gonna apply my individual lashes. These are, I think, are Dell ones. I'm gonna use my Duo eyelash glue for it. So my lashes are on. At the end I decided to do band lashes because I didn't receive the effect I wanted with individual lashes, so I used my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. I'm gonna use lip liner from Huda Beauty in the shade Color Heartbreaker, and I just gonna apply it in the center of my lips. And then on top of it, I'm gonna apply my Dior lip balm. It's in the shade Pink. And that's it, guys. Our Snow White look is ready. I hope you liked this video. If so, let me know in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.